children, welcome to Math Park. In our park, today we are going to learn about composite numbers. Numbers which are having more than two factors are called composite numbers. Numbers which are having more than two factors are called composite numbers. Last video we have seen about prime and twin prime. Prime numbers exactly two factors. Now we know that 0 and 1 are neither prime nor composite. 0 and 1 are neither prime nor composite. 2 is a prime, 3 is a prime. So next is 4. So let us see what are the factors of 4. Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Factors are exact divisors of a number. That means when I divide 4 by 1, 2 or 4, the remainder will always be 0. So we can see that 4 is having 3 factors, so it is composite. A number which is having more than 2 factors is called composite number. Next numbers, remember now, other than 2, all even numbers are going to be composite. Other than 2, all even numbers are composite. 5 is prime, 6 is going to be composite, 7 is prime, 8 is going to be composite. Let's look for 9. Now what are factors of 9? Factors of 9, 1, 3 and 9. So again 9 is having 3 factors, so it is a composite number. Remember children, 4 is the smallest even composite number, 9 is the smallest odd composite number. Okay, now another thing, remember, all the numbers which are ending with 0 are going to be composite. All the numbers which are ending with 0 are going to be composite, and these numbers will definitely have 2 and 5 as factors. So factors of 10, 1 into 10 is 10, 2 into 5 is 10. So 2, 5, 1, 2, 5 and 10, these are the factors of 10. So 10 is again composite, which is having more than 2 factors. And look at this, 2 and 5 will always be there. You can try taking factors of any numbers ending with 0. Always 2 and 5 will definitely be the factors. So we have understood that smallest even composite, smallest odd composite, numbers ending with 0 will always be composite. Another important thing, numbers ending with 5, other than 5, 5 is prime, other than 5 are going to be composite. Check for 15. Okay, so factors of 15, 1 into 15 is 15 and 3 into 5 is 15. So 1, 3, 5 and 15. Again, this is a composite number. So understood about composite number. Now let us understand what are coprime numbers. Now this understanding coprime numbers is very important children when we are finding the LCM of the number. So I am going to also tell you the fact of small tip about how to find the LCM of numbers. So do watch till end children, very important concept. So now let us understand what are coprime numbers. Okay, now the coprime numbers are the numbers which are having common factor as 1. Common factor as 1. So numbers having common factor as 1 are called coprime numbers. Now always the prime numbers, 2 prime numbers will definitely be coprime, because if I look for 7 and if I look for 11, factors of 7 are 1 and 7, factors of 11 are 1 and 11. So 2 primes will always be coprime. Look at this, 1 is a common factor, so that is why they are coprime. So 2 prime numbers are always coprime. Let us look for 2 consecutive numbers. Let us take 8 and 9. So 8, factors of 8 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. Again the common factor here is 1. So you can try with any consecutive numbers are always coprime. So I have seen children when they have to find the LCM of 11 and 12, they keep on writing your 11 and 12 and then find the LCM. No need. You need to find the LCM when we are adding and subtracting like fractions. So whenever they are consecutive numbers, remember they are coprime, and LCM of coprime numbers is their product. So we have seen 2 primes are always coprime, 2 consecutive numbers are always coprime. So let us take few more examples. Okay, so taking few more examples, let us check one even number and one odd, or let us take 2 composite numbers whether they are coprime. Okay, so we take 4 and say 15. So what are the factors of 4? 1, 2 and 4. Factors of 15, 1, 3, 5 and 15. We can see that the common factor again here is 1. So 2 numbers which are having 1 as common factor are called coprime numbers, and LCM of coprime numbers is their product. LCM of coprime numbers is their product. Very important when you are finding the LCM, when we are adding and subtracting like fractions. Okay, one more tip, children. So when there are two numbers such that one is the multiple of other, when there are two numbers, since we are talking of LCM, I will tell one more tip again. Whenever there are two numbers, let us say 3 and 81. So I know that 81 is multiple of 3. So whenever there are two numbers such that one is the multiple of other, the greater one will always be LCM and the smaller one will be always HCF. So any number, say 15 and 105. So we know that 105 is multiple of 15, so 15 is LCM and the smaller is going to be HCF. Okay, children, we are coming up with many more videos. Do keep watching, subscribe if you have not, demand what you want to learn. It's for you. Maths is fun, enjoy.